The most poisonous animal in the world is generally considered to be the box jellyfish Chironex fleckeri. Found primarily in the waters of the Indo-Pacific region, these jellyfish possess incredibly potent venom that can cause rapid and severe effects on the human body. Prevention. Due to the danger posed by box jellyfish, precautionary measures such as wearing protective clothing, avoiding swimming in known jellyfish habitats, and adhering to local warnings and guidelines are essential to minimize the risk of encountering these deadly creatures. In summary, the box jellyfish stands out as the most poisonous animal in the world due to its potent venom, rapid onset of symptoms, and potential lethality. Understanding its biology and behavior is crucial for preventing and managing encounters with this formidable marine predator.